All right, guys, here's the last method. This is called the box method to go ahead and factor quadratics where a is greater than 1. So I'm actually going to make a box. I'm going to put this first term, 6x squared, right here. I'm going to put this last term, which is negative 5, in this box. And just like we did before, I'm going to go ahead and find the product of that. 6x squared times negative 5 is going to give me negative 30x squared. So keeping consistent with a lot of the other methods, I want to go ahead and find factors of negative 30x squared that add together to give me 13x. And we've done this, so we know that the factors are going to be 15x and negative 2x. So now I'm going to place them in these boxes. And it doesn't matter where you place them. You can place them anywhere you want. So I'm going to place negative 2x there. I'm going to place 15x there. Now that I have them in the box, going up and down and going across, I want to factor out the GCF, the greatest common factor. So going up and down here in this first column, the greatest common factor between 6x squared and 15x is going to be 3x, and I put that value there. The greatest common factor between negative 2x and negative 5, well, we said this before, they don't have anything in common besides the value of negative 1, so I put that factor there. And again, I'm going to factor going across this way. So I'm going to look at the factors of 6x squared and negative 2x, and I'm going to factor out a 2x because that's the GCF. And I look at 15x and negative 5, and again, I'm going to factor out the GCF, and that again would be the value of 5. Well, now I have a binomial here, and so now I can write this binomial as 3x minus 1 and 2x plus 5. I feel that's my answer. I'm going to go ahead and check with FOIL. So 3x times 2x is 6x squared. 3x and 5x is 15x. I'm sorry, 3x and 5 is 15x. Negative 1 and 2x is negative 2x. And that is negative 5. So when I go ahead and put those terms together, I then go ahead and get my answer that was the same as the original trinomial. That is the third method, the box method.